When hurricanes strike, the headlines often focus on wind speed and storm categories. But long after the cameras leave, it's the communities that carry the real story. Today we're taking a closer look at Cave Valley, located in the parish of St. Anne, Jamaica, and how it was affected by two very different storms. Hurricane Beryl, which was in 2024, and Hurricane Melissa in 2025. Hurricane Melissa was one of the most destructive hurricanes to hit the island in recent years. This comparison shows storm strength, preparedness, and recovery efforts can shape a community's future. Cave Valley is a small, close-knit rural community located in St. Anne, Jamaica. Many residents rely on farming and small businesses for their daily survival. When Hurricane Beryl hit, it came with extreme winds and heavy rainfall that left a lasting mark on Cave Valley. Here in the video you can see the after effects of Hurricane Beryl. The entire town was flooded. Most of the shops were affected by the floodwaters. Farming, which is one of the community's main sources of income, was especially affected. Vegetables and fruits were flattened, meaning months of lost income for many farmers. Road access in and out of Cave Valley became very difficult, but even in the aftermath, the community came together. Neighbors shared food, farmers got back planting as soon as the water receded, and tried to get things back to normal as soon as possible. Here in the town center, you can see the level of the flooding. Looking at the gas station, you can see that the pumps aren't completely submerged. Other shops in and around the town center, the water went in maybe about 5 to 6 inches. Some it went in a lot higher than that, but the flooding this time around wasn't that extreme. Hurricane Melissa, which was a Category 5 hurricane, came with significant wind and rainfall. A lot of roofs were blown off, and the flooding was so extreme that the entire community was submerged in water for days. Here in the video coming up, you will see that the level of flooding compared to Hurricane Beryl is significantly different. Before, you saw that the water on the gas station was just a few inches. Here you can see in this video that the gas station is almost completely covered. The market, which is on your right, the water is almost to the top of the roof, and this was after the water receded. In the background you can see where that section of the market, the roof, has been significantly damaged. In contrast, Hurricane Melissa was the most significant of the two storms. While both storms brought periods of heavy rain and strong winds, it was the strong winds of Hurricane Melissa, which was a Category 5, that caused the most damage to Cave Valley. Many roofs were blown off, and as you can see in this video, the level of flooding was so extreme that almost every business in the town was flooded. One of the major differences in both hurricanes was that of the preparedness of the community members, because based on Beryl, which was last year, the community members tried to prepare as best as possible when they heard that Melissa was upon us. The experience of Cave Valley reminds us that hurricanes are more than weather events. They are community events. As climate change continues to influence storm patterns, the lesson learned from Hurricane Beryl and Hurricane Melissa shows that preparedness, unity, and resilience can make all the difference